Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing 3-5 products that already convert and have affiliate programs. This narrows focus immediately. Once chosen, write a 15-30-second brief that states your single key message, CTA, and required aspect ratios for each platform. Then decide whether you'll shoot yourself or hire creators based on budget. Set per video spend and timeline now, because locking scope prevents scope creep and speeds production. Once you have briefs, capture 3 video types: a demo, short social clip, and B-roll for cuts. You should use a tripod and either natural or 3-point lighting. Record clean audio with a lavalier if possible, because poor sound kills conversions. Make edits using a template workflow. Cut to product close-ups, color grade consistently, add captions and music under the program's rules, and place a clear CTA overlay so viewers know exactly what to do next. You finish by exporting platform-specific files and uploading with persuasive titles and a pinned CTA. Make sure to append tracking parameters or UTM codes to affiliate links so you can attribute performance. Schedule a /B tests for thumbnail, caption, and CTA variations, then monitor CTR and conversion rate. If metrics lag, swap the hook or shorten the first 3 seconds. Troubleshooting tip: if conversion is low, recheck the affiliate link and deep link settings first, then iterate creative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.